to see what my fireplace mantle that I currently have in my bedroom looks like here instead. So we're gonna make the swap. Let me know what you like better. I would appreciate it so much. New Amazon set I need to try on. Put this on movers. This is dusty. You know what? I think I should come this way. I was thinking without the soundbar of the old TV that there would be more space between the two. I feel like I would need to hang the TV a little bit higher if this stayed here. Let me know what you think if you like the idea of the fireplace in here, because the TV could always be raised up. I would have to remount it, but that wouldn't be that big of a deal.